ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवधू गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उदोध इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः याध इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यादवदयानो रुद्रमृदया यादे रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा भावकाशिनी तया नस्तनुभाषन्दमया गिरिजन्धाभिजागशीः यामिषं गिरिजन्धहस्ते विपश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरिददां कुरु माहि गुंसीः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा ध्वा गिरिजाच्च वदामसि यदा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असद् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषग् ऐगुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्थाम्रो अरुण उद बभ्रु सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिदा सहस्रशो वैशागुं एदईमहे असौ यावसर्वदिनीरग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृदयादिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं देव्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तमुभयोराग्नियोज्याम् याश्च देहस्त इषवः परादा भगवो बभा अवदद्यदनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षजदेशुरे ऋषिरशल्यानां मुखा शिवो न सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कवर्दिनो विजल्यो बाणवागुम् उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निशं गदिः या देहेतिर्मीदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वदस्तमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नाददाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिदे धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वदः अतो य इषुदिष्टवारे अस्मन्निदेहिदम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिगाग्निघालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनानेदिजां जपदये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पदये नमो नमः। सस्विञ्जराय द्विषेमदेवतीनां पदये नमो नमो बभ्लुजाय विव्याधिनेनानां पदये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीदिने पुष्टानां पदये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगदां पदये नमो नमो रुद्राय ददाविने क्षेत्राणां पदये नमो नमः। सूदाय हन्याय वनानां पदये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपदये वृक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो मन्द्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो भुवन्दये वारिवस्कृतायोषधीनां पदये नमो नमः। उच्चैकोशाय ग्रन्थयदे बद्धीनां पदये नमो नमः। कृत्स्नवीदाय दावदे सद्वनां पदये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः। ककुवाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पदये नमो नमो वञ्जदे परिवञ्जदे स्थायूनां पदये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचराय अरण्यानां पदये नमो नमः। श्रीगाविभ्यो जिगागुंदद्भ्यो मुष्णदां पदये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रगन्धानां पदये नमो नमः। उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्जानां पदये नमो नमः। इषुमद्योदन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आयच्छद्यो वृषजद्यश्च वो नमो नमो यद्यो विद्यद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आसीनेभ्यश्च शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। स्वपद्यो जागृद्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्यो दावद्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः। नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। उगनाभ्यस्तृगं हदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। व्रादेभ्यो व्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। महद्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। रतिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो। रथेभ्यो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रिभ्यः शङ्खहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथधारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्यो धन्वकृद्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः प्रभ्यश्वपदिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिगन्धाय च नमः कवर्दिने च युक्तगेजाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिजाय च शिबिविष्टाय च नमो मीदुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहदे च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च समृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवेजाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः सोदस्याय च द्विभ्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च वरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च वगल्वाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः लोक्याय च वदान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आजुषेणाय चाजुरदाय च नमः शूराय जावविन्धते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरोदिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः स्तुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृजाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णे च वेचायुरिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः कृत्याय च वद्याय च नमः काद्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्दाय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वश्याय च वश्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईद्रियाय च दप्याय च नमो वाद्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे जहनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवधराय च नमः ईद्याय च गुल्याय च नमः वार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रदरनाय चोदरनाय च नमः आधार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः चष्म्याय च विन्याय च नमः श्रीगद्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः ईरिण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किगुंजिलाय च शयनाय च नमः कवर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ट्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्व्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काद्याय च गह्वरेस्ताय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्याय च शून्याय च नमः पन्याय च पन्नशद्याय च नमो भगुरमानाय च विघ्नदे च नमः आगिरदे च ब्रक्किरदे च नमो किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणगेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः निर्हदेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः द्रावे अन्नसस्वदे दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभिर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममद या ते रुद्रशिवा धनो शिवा विश्वः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी दयानो मृदजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तपसे कपर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रवरामये मदिं यदा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् निदानो रुद्रोदनो मयस्कृतिक् शयद्वीराय नमसा विधीमदे यच्चं च योश्च मनुराय जे विदातदस्यामतवरुद्ध प्रणीदोः मानो महान्दमुदमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्दमुदमान उक्षिदम् मानो बलिः पितरं मोदमादरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्धरीरिषः मानस्तोकेदनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्धवामिदो बलिर्हविष्मन्धो नमसा विधीमदे आराधे गोग्न उदुपूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय त्वं नमस्मेरे अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिजदेव ब्रूयराजनः शर्म यच्छत् विबर्हाः स्तुहिश्वतं दत्त सदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुदमद्दुमुग्रम् विदाचरित्ये रुद्धस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव बन्धुसेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विनक्तु परिवेशस्य दुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरामगवद्वयस्तनुष्वामी वस्तोकायतनयाय मृदया मीदुष्टम शिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव वरमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृत्तिं वसान आचन विनागं बिभ्रदागहि विगिरिदविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेदयोन्यमस्मन्निव बन्धुदाः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुगाग्रिदि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये वृद्धा अधिभूम्याम् तेजागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि अस्मिन् महज्जर्नवेन्दरिक्षे भवादि नीलग्रीवाशिरिगन्धा शर्वादः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशिरिगन्धादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्मिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाश कवर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु विवदो जनान् ये वदाम्बदिलक्षलैरभृदायव्युदः ये देदानि व्रजरन्ति शिखाबन्धो निषङ्गिनः य एतावन्तस्य भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्धाभिदस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं द्वादो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचे दश दक्षिणा दश प्रदीचे दशोदीचे दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृदयन्तु देयं विष्मो यश्च नोद्वेष्टितं भो चम्बे ददामि त्र्यम्बके यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुधं बाजा मृत्यो मध्याय हन्तवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्तकः तेनानेनाव्ययस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि तमुस्तु हि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वस्य च यदि वेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवसुरं दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यगुं शिवा विमरुशनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः संयमे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे दविनं च मे यन्दा च मे दर्दा च मे क्षेमश्च मे दिदिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संदिच्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुश्च मे भ्रसुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मर्दं च मे मृदं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुध्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुजा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। शुक्लाम्बरधरं गणपतिमन्त्रं
Satya Sai Baba. He was born in the village of Puttaparthi in a land far across the sea. On a beautiful November morn, when music divine played on, when music divine played on. He was born in the village of Puttaparthi in a land far across the sea. On a beautiful November morn, when music divine played on, when music divine played on. Satyanarayana, 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 Satya Sai Baba, Shri Satya Sai Baba. Satyanarayana, 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 Satya Sai Baba, Shri Satya Sai Baba. A savior born to redeem us all, he was Satyanarayana. A Lord divine come to show the way, Satya Sai Avatar, Shri Satya Sai Avatar. A savior born to redeem us all, he was Satyanarayana. A Lord divine come to show the way, Satya Sai Avatar, Shri Satya Sai Avatar. Satyanarayana, 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 Satya Sai Baba, Shri Satya Sai Baba. Satyanarayana, 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 Satya Sai Baba, Shri Satya Sai Baba, Shri Satya Sai Baba.
जय शङ्करा भवगोचरा शिव चिदम्बरा ओङ्कारा। 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 पतिविहारा पाप विदूरा, पतिविहारा पाप विदूरा, जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा। जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा। जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा जया शङ्करा भवगोचरा शिवचिदम्बरा ओंकारा पट्टिविहारा पापविदूरा जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा जगदोधारा ब्रह्मपरा
राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि 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 विश्वरूप 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 वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि नारायण हरि हरि ओम 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 नारायण हरि हरि विश्वरूप वासुदेव 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 नारायण हरि हरि राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि विश्वरूप वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि नारायण हरि हरि ओम नारायण हरि हरि विश्वरूप वासुदेव 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 नारायण हरि हरि राम कृष्ण वासुदेव नारायण हरि हरि
बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा में साई, मन में साई। रोम रोम में साई साई। वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई। वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। अल्लाह येशु सतगुरु साई। गीता वेद कुरान हो साई। तन में साई, मन में साई। रोम रोम में साई साई। वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा। बुद्ध महावीर येशु साई।
भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम ओ साई। भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम ओ साई। भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम ओ साई। भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम ओ साई। दुख भंजन तेरु नाम ओ साई। दुख भंजन तेरु नाम ओ साई। दुख भंजन तेरु नाम। दुख भंजन तेरु नाम। भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम। भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम। तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी। तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी।
सुब्रह्मण्यं सुब्रह्मण्यं साईनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम्
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्जतु यहोवा शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभुतु रुद्रविष्णु तु रामकृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरितु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया शांति शांति शांति।
My pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, the omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient Lord of the universe. Om Sai Ram, dear brothers and sisters. A very happy and loving welcome to this week's regional devotional program. Thank you to the singers for the beautiful bhajan sung this morning, and thank you to the Amstatuzana Sai Center for conducting the Hawan. The infographic for this week. Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba has said in Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 28, love nature for the joy it gives and for no other benefit. Brothers and sisters, what is this joy that Swami speaks about? Oh, to behold something so beautiful is truly wonderful. The flowing rivers, the wondrous waterfalls, the deep blue sea, the majestic mountains, the fabulous colorful flowers, the stately green trees, and the variety of gorgeous animals and creatures. Oh, and what about the joy of tasting the different delicious fruit and vegetable? What a joy! We are so spoilt for choice. What does Swami mean for no other benefit? What are the other benefits that we're trying to derive from nature? An example would be exploitation of the natural resources because of greed, because of wanting more money. Killing animals to satisfy the taste buds. Purchasing items in excess to boost the ego and the pride. Brothers and sisters, we have to enjoy nature out of necessity and not out of greed. Nature is God. So let us enjoy nature in the correct manner and not exploit it. We now have Sister Veena from the Heavenside Sai Center, who will share her experience on one of the 108 names of Bhagavan.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Veena Mudli. I'm from the Avonside Sai Center. Today I would like to share my experience with you all. I have chosen gem number 35, Om Shri Sai Sharanagata Taranaya Namaha, which means, I worship Lord Sai, who saves all those who sincerely surrender to the Lord, those who yearn for salvation with sincere devotion are definitely saved. In December 2020, my life changed. On the 9th of December, I visited my GP for my chronic script. The next day, I went to the eye specialist. And I was fine. On the 12th of December, I visited the podiatrist. That afternoon, I just didn't feel too good. The Sunday, I got up with a sore back and pains running down my legs. I slept most of the day. The Monday, I felt very sick again. I couldn't walk, so my son took me to the doctor. He asked me to have a COVID test done. That afternoon, I had the test done. I just prayed that it was just my normal body aches and pains. The next day, I got my results, and I was devastated. I was COVID positive. I couldn't eat. I couldn't drink anything. I just had no taste. All I wanted to do is sleep. But my husband and son forced and fed me. I drank vivudi in water that Vimla had sent to me. Then my son and husband had the test done, and they were positive. I just prayed to Swami and said, what is happening to my family now? We all are sick. The week went by. On the 21st of December, my oxygen levels dropped to 20. My son rushed me to the hospital. When we got there, they put me on oxygen. There were no beds available. Then they wanted to send me either to Richards Bay or Pietermaritzburg. My son said no. What if something happens to her on the way? Finally, they got a bed in the ICU. The doctor came, put me on the ventilator and oxygen. All I did was just pray and chant the Gayatri mantra in my mind. I laid on the bed as if I was dead. My husband was also sick. He was rushed to trauma. His organs were failing. He also had COVID but had no symptoms. One night, I just prayed to Swami, asking him to place his healing hands on me and my family. All I could think about was my quadriplegic daughter. What is she doing? Who's taking care of her? Because my helper didn't come to work. My son was such a pillar of strength. Despite being sick, he took care of his dad and his sister. On Christmas Eve, I cried to Swami and said, it's Christmas and I lay on this bed. My family are sick and alone. It's festivities. I felt a breeze, although it was very still. I had a warm feeling as if somebody was standing next to me. As I turned and looked up, I saw a bright light shining over me. The next day, my doctor came and he said, hey, Mrs. Mudli, what's happening with your oxygen levels? So I took off my mask and I smiled at him and said, Doctor, 2021 is a special year for me. On the 4th of January, I celebrate my 35th wedding anniversary. And in September, I celebrate my 60th birthday. Do you think I'm going to just lie in this bed without a fight? He said, yes, you are a strong fighter. But I spent my anniversary in the ICU. I was in ICU for 15 days and 7 days in the recovery ward. With Swami's grace and blessings, I am here today. It was a very traumatic experience because I wasn't with my family, never saw my family, and it was a festive season and I was in hospital, and I just lay there watching people die right in front of my eyes. It was very traumatic. On the 1st of February, I visited my doctor for my checkup. His staff said to me, doctor spoke about me all the time, saying that I was his only patient that survived the ventilator. Thanks to Swami, I know I'm not your perfect devotee, but I try all the time. But with your blessings, I am here today. Thank you, Swami. All I ask for, your blessings and your grace to give us good health for the rest of our lives. Thank you, Swami. We love you. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, Sister Veena, for that beautiful experience. The announcements this week for Chatsworth Region 2 is as follows. The Go Green activities continue. That is, the making of eco-bricks, the planting of herb gardens, and the planting of spec booms. Brothers and sisters, we have a seva coming up on the 18th of December. This is the regional Christmas seva, which involves the distribution of soft toys and a hot meal. If you would like to give the joy of Christmas to others that are less fortunate, please consult with your center seva coordinator for more details. Brothers and sisters, we wish you a very happy week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
COVID-19 has affected every one of us, but we finally have some hope. South Africa is now allowing all adults over the age of 18 to vaccinate against COVID-19, free of any cost to themselves. Our bodies are equipped with an immune system. Taking the vaccine will trigger that system to create fighter cells or antibodies. In the event of being exposed to the coronavirus, you would already have an army of cells ready to face the virus. Being fully vaccinated can protect you from severe COVID-19 illness, hospitalization, and even death. We encourage you to register on the EVDS system and find your nearest vaccination center to take your vaccine. Many centers even allow walk-ins, so you can go at your convenience. We all have the opportunity to positively impact the lives of others. Let us use this wisely. Let's all vaccinate. Jai Sai Ram.
We finished the 108th, the interview room door opened, Swami walked out and came straight to him and asked, where are you from? Swami calls him and said, I told you not to eat the puff. In the schools in Prashanti, you either join during the first standard, that's when you start your school, or you join during the 11th standard. I don't know what's the equivalent in your schooling system. So 11th standard is a interesting time to join Swami's school, because you're already around 14, 15. It's that difficult age, to put it lightly. And then you have this discipline to keep up with, and all of these austerities, so-called, for that age. But by Swami's grace, it happens so beautifully, the transition. So this senior of mine came from the city of Mumbai. And the teachers in Swami's school their molds are made in some other universe, I guess. Very, very different. And very, very beautiful souls. The way they train the students at that age, they nurture them and lead them to Swami, it's something phenomenal. So there was this one teacher who wanted to introduce the concept of meditation to all the children. How do you teach meditation to a 13, 14, 15-year-old child who's come from the city and was so distracted? But one thing universal in the hostel was everybody had immense love for Swami. Right? Swami was there, and Swami was physically interacting with all of them. So they all craved to go close to Swami, and we all craved for a word from Swami. So this teacher used that to teach these children meditation. So he told them, see, meditation is very simple. You just sit down, close your eyes, and imagine that you're traveling within your own heart. Right? Just imagine as graphically as you can that you're going within your own heart, and imagine your heart to be a temple. And you're opening the doors of your temple one by one. If you've been to any of the big temples in India, you'll know that there are many doors to each temple, right? The final door is the one to the Sanctum Sanctorum. So this teacher told them, you close your eyes and imagine that you're going within your heart and walking through this temple, open door after door, and each door that you pass by, you're getting closer and closer to the Swami who's sitting in the altar of your heart. And then he said, you go inside and Swami will be sitting in the post that you like, Swami will be sitting on the jula, on the sofa, or whatever you like. And that Swami will talk to you. Right? This is what is the technique of meditation this teacher had taught them. And when you're at that age, you kind of believe whatever your teachers tell you. Right? So this kid had taken it so seriously. Just a story which is a little aside. It happened in Mandir again. A couple of my seniors, they were sitting in Mandir, and this time it was a student who was a part of the system. He was, a few years into the system, and then there was a new entrant. So this new entrant was sitting, and he was going on troubling this classmate of his who's been here for a few years. He brother, tell me, what should I do for Swami to come and talk to me? So this boy was getting a little irritated. So just to put him off, he said, no, it's very simple, brother. Just close your eyes and chant Gayatri for 108 times. Swami will come and talk to you. So merely to silence him and so that he can do whatever he was doing. So this boy took it to heart and he closed his eyes and he chanted with all sincerity Gayatri Mantra 108 times. He finished the 108th, the interview room door opened, Swami walked out and came straight to him and asked, where are you from? The boy who gave him the advice was shocked. See, that's the beauty of sincerity, right? So if you and I believe that Swami is not here to answer our prayers, then that's how it's going to be. But if we believe that he is there, and if we have that sincerity that goes with that belief, be sure he will come to you wherever you are. So going back to the story, so this boy, he started this meditation. So he started opening door after door, walking into the sanctum of his own heart. And he said after a certain point, he was not imagining it anymore. In the sense, he didn't know how many doors are there. Right? So every door he's opening with a trepidation that maybe this is the last door, or maybe Swami is there. So even as he's opening each one of these doors, that enthusiasm is building and that curiosity is building. And finally, as they show in the movies, each door is becoming more ornate than the previous door. So you know you're getting closer, right? So finally he comes to this beautiful, magnificent golden door and he knows that, yes, this is the final door. And he opens the door and there in that beautifully lit altar, he sees Swami sitting on a jula. With a beautiful smile, radiant face. The moment he sees that, he's like, ah. Right? If you ever see Swami when he's just coming out of his room, he's just got ready, he's combed his hair, he's just had a bath, and when he steps out of the room, it's a different sight altogether. It'll be like something has lit the sky. Right? And he had the same feeling. He said, Swami is sitting there. And he's standing at the door and he's just looking at Swami, and Swami is looking so radiant. And Swami says, come. So he goes to Swami, he doesn't know, all of this is not imagination anymore, it's really happening in his heart. So he goes up to Swami, and any guesses what Swami would have told him? Swami told him, this evening, in your hostel food stall, they are going to get puffs. If you don't know what a puff is, it's something like it's something they make in the bakery. I think even now they make on Fridays or something like that. So to give you a background, it's made only in the ashram. So whenever it's made here, the boys from the hostel come here, buy it from here, and they put it in the food stall in the hostel, and whoever wants can buy that. Right? It's not part of the menu in the dining hall. So Swami is telling this boy, this evening they are going to get puffs in the food stall. It's like, what is that? And Swami says, they're going to get puffs in the food stall, you don't eat. A little bit of detail, this boy is a plump boy who's very fond of food. Okay. And then, by then the meditation session ends and he probably closes all the doors and comes out. He's trying to make sense of what Swami told him. He said, of all the things, why would Swami tell me this? That there's puff in your food stall and you don't eat it. I must have been very hungry, so my mind's playing up with me. But then the thing is, as I told you, it's only once a week that we get puff in the food stall. Right? So he thinks, okay, today's a Monday. It's not likely that they'll get food puff today. So he goes to one of his seniors and says, is it likely that they will get puff today? The senior tells him that's impossible. It's only on Fridays. So he says, okay, if the puff is there in the food stall today, which means that the conversation is real. So he runs to the food stall. Lo and behold, you wouldn't have imagined saying lo and behold before saying this, there was puff in the food stall. And this boy was like so thrilled, right? The conversation was real. Now came the next problem. Swami said, don't eat it. So he's like, oh God, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? So you won't believe it. He goes and hides himself in the bathroom to resist the temptation. Then he's not able to resist it. Finally, he comes out and he comes to the food stall. The last puff is there. He buys it and he eats it all. So the next day, again the meditation. Again, he has to go into the doors and go to the altar. So this time he's a bit guilty because he's not listened to Swami. And he goes, opens door after door, the final ornate door, and he opens it. The same scene, Swami is sitting there with Jula, with a little cross. And Swami calls him. He said, I told you not to eat the puff. And then Swami says, today, again there's going to be puff in the food stall. You don't eat. Swami said. So when the meditation session was over, he comes out of it. And he says, this can never be possible. I mean, this is like, it never happens in the hostel. Like 2 consecutive days we have puff in the food stall. Right? So he makes all his inquiries and he's absolutely sure that it's not going to happen. And again, lo and behold, when he went to the food stall, there was puff. So this day he said, no, I'm not going to. And somehow he managed to put off that thing. I don't know after that he had this experience continuing. But when I spoke to him, of course he had graduated and he was doing his own business. And he said, can anybody take away the fact from me that my Swami is within me? As a 14-year-old boy, if you have an experience like that, can anybody come and convince you that your Swami is not within you? It is a fact that the Swami is within each one of us. And when physically we used to interact with Swami, it used to be a very, the lack of words, a weird interaction. Because we know that we are talking to somebody who knows everything. The darkest of your secrets, if you could say that. But then he would ask us, what is your name? Where do you come from? What is your father doing? Right? There used to be all kinds of very interesting interactions which used to happen. But the thing is, even through this experience of Swami asking us all these questions, he would not miss a chance every now and then to reiterate that it's the same Swami who's within.
I keep feeling your love in me over and over again. And it's sweeter and sweeter as the days go by. Oh, what a love between my Lord and I. My Lord and I, my Lord and I, my sigh and I, my sigh and I, my sigh and I, my sigh and I keep feeling your love in me over and over again. I keep feeling your love in me over and over again.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई नारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ॐ नारायण नारायण ॐ सत्यनारायण नारायण ॐ सत्यनारायण नारायण ॐ जय सद्गुरुदेवा शान्ति 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 समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्ष प्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्ष प्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्ष प्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।